name of laser. Oh my god, we need more people on this. I'm not being a baby, I'm being a whore.
From what I understand, we're trying to get Corwin in to play with us.
There's just blood everywhere on the wall.
I've returned cookies.
I want cookies.
Put them up! Put them up!
Oh shit! What the heck?
Put them up!
What?
Put them up!
What up?
This is a bug.
Put up
I'm
the
bugging
cookies
you,
right
bitch.
now.
I'm bugging you.
I was. Oh, well, fuck me,
I'm mugging you. Look at this big ass gun.
dude. Don't hurt me. The game's about to start yet. I'm innocent, by the way.
Whoa.
Why are you killing me? Stop it! No. Bastard! I'm just like, ugh.
Where'd you guys go?
You jerk.
Probably red. Let's be honest.
Who says I killed him?
Oh, really?
By the way, I'm on top of the lighthouse. Come and get me.
That's bullshit.
Actually, he's telling the truth.
Yeah, I don't see him.
That's where he killed me.
Wait, what the heck is... where is red for real?
He's like inside the building.
Oh.
Well, I'm spectating,
well, I wouldn't-
so I can just easily tell where you are.
I wouldn't blame you. Oh, what the... Okay, well... Here's Nate's body. He was innocent. Aha! Oh, you son of a bitch!
Oh, he was. Oh, wow.
I won!
Red, you're an asshole.
Ah, no. I get shit done. There's no karma, so I don't fucking care.
Do not judge karma. Yeah, he was.
Of course you were.
He was in hell.
Do we have a larger map?
We should. Wait, don't we have? Wait, aren't
Well,
isn't
Alan,
that after
those maps,
certain round?
I don't think CS Alan has guns, does it? No. Well, no, Alan. Those servers have like the custom gun system I had that one time.
LR,
My legs are super sore right now.
LR, stopping, dashing, some guns and whatever.
Alright, I'm innocent.
I am innocent.
I'm innocent.
Well, Alan, you were a traitor a couple of rounds ago, right? Yeah, you were talking. You were in that tower that you threw smoke bombs, and you just like die.
No, he was innocent. I was traitor that round when he was.
Oh, well, you're a dick, Red. You know that. I should
I know.
Hey, you're not a traitor, right?
No, I'm not a traitor.
All right,
I'm
brother,
gonna
let's
watch you guys from the lighthouse. Understand?
I don't like that idea.
go. Yeah, I mean either.
Why?
I'd say we kill Alan just because he wants to kill Red.
Yeah,
I'd say
Nate, be
I
my
know.
black friend. Be the black man you were always meant to be.
Whoa,
Oh,
you
hi,
scared
hi,
the shit out of me.
You always have to be.
Wait, Alan, is that Alan?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Kill him! Kill him!
That.
Where's Alan? Where'd he go? Alan shot Nate Alan shot Nate's badly wounded.
Well, let's kill his ass.
Where is he?
I don't even know where he went.
But yeah, you shot me and tried to kill me, you fucker. Oh!
Fuck! Ray!
Caught ya.
You little fuck! Why did you do that?
I either thought it was I either knew it was either Red or Nate.
Alan's actually literally shot Nate, so why would you think it was...
I don't know. It could be anyone, dude. Don't try to tell me this is a strategy to figure out who's the traitor.
I mean, it's obvious that if I was shot, I wasn't the traitor.
I didn't see that, so.
I saw it. I could have confirmed it for you, but no, you had to go around.
But you were the traitor. I wouldn't have been able to trust what you said anyway.
But nigga, you didn't know it was me.
Nigga, don't even start with me with that shit.
Jesus Christ, what's with the curse words? Oh my lordy.
It's not really a curse word.
But whatever.
Instead of with an A, Nate, that's a senpai symbol.
Oh God. Anyway,
Yeah, I don't know what Daniel's doing, Alan.
Oh,
He
what
might
the?
be on porn.
hello.
Hi.
What the fuck?
Whoa, you were.
Dang it!
I have that recorded too.
How? Oh, I can never get one as a
dang
trick.
it.
What happened?
I sniped
Hit each other.
I sniped you, Nate.
Why would like you must it must have been that vibe or something. It had to be a vibe.
No, I actually shot Ray in the face and it didn't kill him.
But it killed me. Cause I was planning to kill Ray. And I was like, damn it. No.
What?
Alright.
Penis.
Yeah, everybody loves that.
I know, I suck it every day and every night.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
I already-
Yes. Yes. Yes.
No, I didn't.
Yes. 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 You can't deny it.
All right, I'm innocent.
Alright, I'm gonna grab a golden block and I'm gonna start singing that one Lion King opening song. Alright, I'm gonna get on top of the lighthouse. No one bug me. I hope
We're gonna bug you because I don't trust
No,
you.
I hope someone else is recording this on their ends. But it's funny. Oh, you are?
This is gonna be fun.
Alright, do you guys see me at the lighthouse?
Yep.
Ah, oh shit!
Oh, there goes Simba. Simba's dead, guys.
Yeah,
Ray
Simba just
shot
died.
me. Ray shot me. Ray
Yeah,
shot me.
Good reason. I mean, you just held a baby lion out over a lighthouse. Like,
Whoa,
what was I
shit.
supposed to do? You were gonna drop him. You would have killed
I
one of the
dropped him
most
because he
iconic
shot me, you
characters. How does that
idiot.
make you feel?
You're the one that killed me because no, you're the one that killed the
he
lion
was
because
just a child.
no, you killed the lion because you shot
He
me.
was just a child, you bastard! God, bring.
Okay, he's not it. Wait, fuck!
I told you.
Damn it!
He was drawing way too much attention to himself, and I swear to God, if it's his brother, I'm gonna cut a bitch.
Then you might as
Well,
well
he's
cut
near
it.
death, so I don't know. Red might be dead after this.
Alan, where are you?
He's in hell. He's in hell. He's in hell.
Great, now I'm at 1 HP.
Red, he's in hell.
Oh, fuck you!
I knew it.
Where the fuck were you?
That was hilarious. That right there was the best round ever, no
Wow.
matter what people say.
Yeah, I love it. I like did some proper improv on that.
No, I
How
fell,
did you?
I fell to 1 HP. I don't know what you're talking
Ingon
about.
yama,
That was me.
That was weird
No,
though.
I only went down to 76 HP.
It's the circle of life.
I'm about to sneeze.
I didn't
Oh,
kill
boy.
Nate. That Raymond killed Nate, and I killed Raymond.
No, I killed Raymond, and then you killed me, Red.
I killed
I'm
that
innocent. I am totally not the traitor,
Alright,
guys.
instead
I'm
of a
innocent
golden
again.
block, I have a diamond block this time. Hold on.
I
Let me
would
do
like
the
to
same
talk about
thing.
my innocence. No, that's what this one. I was.
Don't fall again, Red. Just don't
So I
fall
was
again.
playing Murder last night, and there was this one sort of Indian-sounding guy, and whenever he was a traitor, he would be like, "I would like to talk about my innocence, everybody. I just want to talk about how innocent I am right now. I am totally not a murderer."
Alright, guys. I'm doing it again, but with a diamond block. Rasenbenya.
Oh shit! What the fuck, dude?
Red's dead.
Oops.
Uh,
And I was about to shoot you down too, to be honest. Just for fun.
yeah, he was innocent.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
mate. I freaking. You.
Damn it! Damn it! It's Red again! It's Alan again, god damn it! It's Alan again! Fuck! Ah!
Nate, he's in the nether, he's camping.
I know that, little fuck. Can I like throw a bomb or something in there?
Well, Call of
No,
Duty much?
go in there and then start jumping around. That's your
Here you
best
go.
bet. He's right there in front of me. Oh, you
And
went in the lava.
Wow. Stay in hell. You stay in hell where you belong, buddy. Wow.
You enjoy shooting me while my body's
I
in the
hate
lava.
having to do. I hate this. It's like you don't know who.
Because I thought Alan, because I couldn't think the game would pick Alan twice.
Unless it's like, unless he's pulling a Nanners and he's fixing the game, but I don't think he could do that unless he was hosting.
You better,
Yeah,
you
you're
better
hosting.
have fun.
Right. Are you making him traitor?
No, I'm not. I don't know how to do that. I swear on my position in SSS Productions that I do not know how to make that happen.
Who's who? What?
Oh, hi, it's me. I'm Ray. Aha. Hey, don't do that.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha. Oh no, I fell. What? I don't trust Alan one bit. I say we kill him off first.
A third
Probably a good
time,
idea.
man, boy.
Everybody, whoa,
Whoa, shit!
dude, hey, whoa, holy crap! What do you think you're? Who do you think you are? It's got to be Red, man. Okay, he threw a smoke grenade. Oh, you bastard!
Wait, did he die?
I don't know. He just jumped off the top of the lighthouse.
Oh shit!
Red.
I hear gunshots.
Oh,
I hear gunshots.
okay. Hey, sorry.
Don't kill me. I have 5 health, you bastards.
Oh shit, that's not good, is it?
No. Oh, you bad.
Oh wait, so it is Ray.
What? No.
You
Why
little
would you- Why
fucktard.
would you accuse me of that?
It's Ray, a little d-bag.
Hey,
And Alan's camping again, by the way. Same spot. I don't care, as long as he's dead.
Come on, dude. Even if they didn't tell me, I would have known you were there. Aha! There you go. Damn it!
Yeah! Go
MLG,
innocent!
ML fucking G.
Oh yeah, hiding for the whole round and then coming out of nowhere. Sure.
Damn.
Actually, Ray, I was behind you.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, I went
Yes.
in the nether and I was behind you.
Oh, I pissed you off? I pissed you off? Why? No, because you camped like 3 straight rounds. 3 straight. So you deserved it. Bastard.
So as you can tell, I am the best liar in this game.
Yeah, in this game, but not in Werewolf.
Oh, no, that was sarcasm, dude.
Oh gosh.
But yeah,
Okay.
no, like werewolf. Oh my god, that was I don't know what was up with me that game.
Okay.
I can't shoot
Got
this out,
myself an
can I?
M16.
That's because I'm trying to get through the iron.
I don't
Can I
want
break it before the round starts?
How do I like traders have been selected. Oh, okay, cool.
You are playing
That's how you
Jungle
do it.
Terrorist Town version 2014-3-09.
Dash penis dash vagina.
Oh god. Allergies are starting to kick up over where I am.
Allergies! Your best friend.
Yeah. Get out of here. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
MLG.
Oh, okay. I'm out of here.
Everybody stay away from the death zone. The death zone is not your best friend.
Those cats were fast as lightning. Oh shit, copyright.
No, you can sing the lyrics. You just can't.
Ow, ow, ow! I got burned.
That's what I thought. Like,
That makes us want to go in the nether and shoot your ass.
I think he's trying to lure us in. Why is there fire here?
Ooh, fire, fire. We on fire.
Fire!
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 That's me. I'm up here. It's Nate.
Hello, Nate.
Hi, wherever you guys are. So, I'm just here to take some pictures, that's all.
Yeah, that's it. I don't
Don't
get to go to
mind
Minecraftia very often. I just wanted to take some pictures before I had to go back home. It's a long journey.
It is.
Whoa!
Oh, shit. See, I had a feeling it was
Alright, then.
Alan.
Hello. Hello, Red.
Alright,
Hilarious.
guys, crowbar fights next round.
Crowbar
Yes.
fights? Okay.
Let's go, right now. Come here.
I'm gonna kill myself!
It's like slap.
Death by Cosmic!
What's cool
Blood
to do with
everywhere.
any of this?
I don't know. Alright, guys, let's get our crowbars. Get our
He was,
crowbars out.
he was pronouncing his love for her. I'm sorry.
No, wait, no, I know what you're talking about.
Alright, crowbar fights. Understand, Alan?
Wait, so is it just crowbar this round, or?
Yeah, just crowbars only.
Okay. I can
Watch
do
how
that.
someone doesn't use a crowbar and just be like, bitch, who do you think this is?
I'm gonna use crowbars, picks up huge.
Alright, crowbar round.
Crowbars. Yay, crowbars. Boxes!
Whoa,
that's-
shit!
Whoa, God.
Ow! Bastard, stop hitting me! Stop hitting me, you bastard! Get over here. Hey, hey, you dick!
You son of a bitch. Okay, that's it. That's it.
You cheater!
Yeah, okay, never trust Red. That's my new rule.
Yeah, never trust Red.
What would
Just
be
like
the
never trust
initials
Nanners.
for that?
Just like never trust Nanners, never trust Red.
What would be the initials for that, by the way?
Wait. NTR.
NTR? Yeah, NTR. Two minds thinking alike.
Alright, follow NTR and you'll
I think we should
That sounds
probably
really close
kill
to
off Red.
NPR. Not sponsored by them.
Totally not sponsored.
No. If we were sponsored to play these games, that'd be awesome.
Alright. Just like we got sponsored by McDonald's or something.
Okay, who's shooting at me? Yeah, I really love your bullets.
It's obvious it's Red.
Oh yeah.
Watch how Alan's the traitor. No. Well, I'm not saying you are. I'm just saying, you know, anybody could be the traitor. This is trouble in fucking terrorist town.
Motherfucking vagina.
Yes, I see you. Wait, what are you doing? You're a dick, you know.
He's the traitor, isn't he?
I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I would say that there is a 2% chance that Alan's the traitor.
Ray, where are you?
I am on the map.
Good answer. Good answer.
I know.
I am on the map. I am experiencing the porno of my life.
I don't
It
want my
involves
life to be a porno.
It involves tentacle rape.
Okay, I know where each and every one of you guys are now.
Oh,
They're camping in the nether waiting for me, aren't they?
Maybe. 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 Maybe.
Yeah.
Don't worry about
We
it.
got this, Alan.
Don't worry about it.
We
Don't
got
worry.
it. We're so gonna
By the
get
way,
his
one
ass.
of you is the traitor.
We're so gonna get his ass.
Yeah, Alan is a traitor. Alan is a traitor. Alan was a traitor, by the way. Yeah, it's just.
Yeah, right. You see my knifed body over there?
Yes. Shh! Don't tell him where I am.
Just to let
I'm
you
like
know,
right
you
outside
both
the
are
portal waiting
camping.
for you.
By the way, Alan, he saw my body, so he knows it's you. It's outside for him.
Wait, are you in a portal gun?
What the?
The fuck? How did you?
That's a
What
Newton
the-
launcher. That just basically launches people off. Ooh, we should play rooftops next.
I don't think I have rooftops.
Aw. Well,
Woo!
right after this round,
I'm
can you
zooming
change the
in and-
map?
I don't know if I have the map actually. Can you like send me a link to it?
I'm zooming
We
in
don't
and
have to
out
play
of
rooftops.
Alan. Right now.
I just want to play a map that has a lot of cliffs because I want to use the Newton launcher on you guys when I'm traitor.
Huh, okay, now that you told me that, I
That
totally
seems-
want to do it. Hey, you're
Oh
not.
my god, you have a blood stain on your knee. Did you take an arrow to it? No. Ray has a blood stain.
Oh
on
yeah, I
his knee.
took. I used to be a Minecrafter. Then I took an arrow in the knee.
Reload, Doctor Freeman, reload.
Ha!
Headshot.
No, thank you. I'm not into dudes with vaginas.
Reference. Well, I see his
Well, your
gun.
body's halfway in the lava right now. Yeah, like half of your like.
It's like the
You're
it's
dead.
like
You're
it's like
dead
the latest Mortal Kombat game.
You
Alright,
are dead from the neck up.
Can we change
Yeah, when
maps? Can we change maps?
Oh sure.
no, fuck that. People are gonna betray you again.
So start a new game.
Stop! Shoot! Don't shoot the black guy.
Rooftops. Okay, here we go.